HAFNER Pneumatica has been delivering industrial pneumatic solutions for more than 35 years. As a Hungarian company, we design and manufacture systems that perform reliably in real industrial environments, today in more than 50 countries worldwide. The key to our success and growth lies in innovative engineering thinking. Custom development is an integral part of our daily work. Every product is optimized for the customer's specific processes, offering solutions that did not exist before. One of our greatest strengths is that both design and manufacturing are part of the same process, allowing us to respond quickly, cost-effectively, and with consistently high quality. Thanks to our in-house engineering team, we are capable of developing approximately 250-300 new products each year. We operate in a modern, automated production environment with precise assembly and continuous quality control. Our fast, highly skilled, and experienced team acts as a true partner in every project, from initial concept to final delivery. Our solutions have proven themselves across a wide range of industries. We are present in the automotive sector, including trucks, rail, and marine applications, as well as in the food and pharmaceutical industries. Across the full spectrum of industrial automation and machinery manufacturing, in the oil and gas sector, and in power generation and space technology. We are present wherever reliable pneumatics play a critical role under extreme conditions and high operational demands. Our customers are supported by a modern, user-friendly web catalog.
The innovative solutions of HAFNER Pneumatics are present worldwide in numerous areas. These developments can be found from the vehicle industry to automation to the aerospace industry, wherever precision, reliability, and efficiency are fundamental requirements. Through dedication and expertise, we work every day to ensure that this continues into the future. HAFNER Pneumatics, 35 years in service of quality and innovation.